Hey, Colin Rochelle here. Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a generic function that can pretty much take whole bunches of different kinds of input. And in this video, I'm going to do array input. So I named it generic, so we got our main package and class, and we're going to go ahead and create the function and the two arrays. So first, I'm going to make the first array integer integer int, I'll just do I, equals, I'm going to input some data here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be our first array, and then I'm going to do the other one as a string array, s equals, I'm going to do letters B and C. So these are going to be our two arrays, and then we need a function that can handle any kind of array input and print it out. So to do that, we're going to create a public static, and then usually we use T for template, T void, and I'm going to go and name it print array, and then it's going to take a T, so a template array, and we're going to name that array. So here we're going to create a for loop. It's going to be for every T element in array. So for every element in the array that we pass through here, it's going to print out that element. So elements, and then we're going to go and make it print a space as well. So pretty much we have our two arrays, and then we run them in this function. So print array. And we can do this with objects too, and it can get pretty complicated. Print array I, and print array s. And if we run it, it should print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, and there we go. So that's how you create a generic template using the T before void, and then just using T for whatever it is. Whether T is just an int or a string or something, you don't have to have the brackets, but if it's an array, you add these here, and this is how you'd handle it in a for loop. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.